70% of jobs you know today will vanish before 2030. Not in theory, not in some distant future. It's already happening. And here's the brutal truth. Your degree, the one you spent years chasing, the one you thought guaranteed security, is rapidly becoming worthless. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to survive the collapse and how to position yourself to thrive in the AI economy. But wait, if this is so obvious, why aren't governments screaming about it? Why aren't universities warning students that their degrees are evaporating in value? Why are corporations quietly restructuring while pretending nothing has changed? We'll get to that in a moment. Because the most shocking part isn't just that jobs are disappearing. It's that the very system designed to protect you, education, policy, tradition, is actively setting you up to fail. And the real reason behind it? That's still ahead. Let's break this down step by step. First, small jobs vanish. The receptionist replaced by scheduling software. The cashier replaced by self-checkout. The translator replaced by instant AI language tools. Then, entire industries collapse. Journalism gutted by algorithmic content. Customer service hollowed out by chatbots. Logistics streamlined by autonomous systems. Finally, nations fall into chaos. Economies built on outdated skills crumble. Degrees lose their market value. Families who invested everything in education watch their children graduate into unemployment. Contrast the old world with the new. Old world, a degree meant stability. A career path meant security. A paycheck meant progress. New world, a degree means debt. A career path means obsolescence. A paycheck means survival. This isn't just disruption. It's demolition. Think about it. The very symbol of success, the framed certificate on your wall, is now a relic. Universities still sell the dream. Parents still push the tradition. Students still believe the promise. But the truth? The promise is broken. The trap is set. You're told, study hard, get a degree, land a job. But the jobs are gone. You're told, education is the key to success. But the lock has changed. You're told, degrees prove your worth. But AI doesn't care about your degree. It cares about your adaptability. This is the collapse. And it's accelerating faster than anyone admits. Buried in a 2025 labor market report is a clue most people missed. It showed that over 40% of graduates were working jobs that didn't require their degree. Insiders already know this. Recruiters whisper it. Corporations track it. Governments bury it. The chart is devastating. Degrees are no longer predictors of income. They're predictors of debt. Think about that. The very system designed to elevate you now chains you down. Universities keep raising tuition. Politicians keep praising education. Parents keep sacrificing savings. But insiders? They've already pivoted. Tech giants no longer ask for degrees. They ask for skills. They ask for adaptability. They ask for proof you can survive disruption. And here's the kicker. AI systems themselves are screening resumes. The algorithm doesn't care about your diploma. It cares about keywords. It cares about proof of relevance. If your resume doesn't match the machine's criteria, you're invisible. This isn't speculation. It's already happening. Hidden in corporate HR manuals are instructions. Prioritize skills, not degrees. The insiders know. The public doesn't. Your paycheck is already shrinking. Stop. Think about that. Inflation rises. Automation spreads. Wages stagnate. But here's the hope. Those who pivot now can win. The degree you hold is depreciating like a used car. The skill you learn today can multiply your value tomorrow. Universities are selling outdated maps to a world that no longer exists. You can chart your own map, faster, cheaper, smarter. Pause. Ask yourself, if AI can already write essays, analyze data, and generate code, what happens to the students majoring in those fields? They graduate into obsolescence. But those who master AI itself, who learn to command it, don't just survive, they dominate. This is the rhythm of collapse. Fear, hope, fear, hope. It keeps you awake. It keeps you alert. Because the stakes are massive. We're not talking about minor disruption. We're talking about the demolition of tradition. Degrees were once the golden ticket. Now they're the trapdoor. Stop. Think about that. Every year, millions of students walk across a stage, shake a hand, and receive a piece of paper. That paper used to mean opportunity. Now it means debt. Now it means false security. Now it means you're already behind. But here's the hope. You don't need permission anymore. You don't need a university to validate you. You don't need a degree to prove your worth. You need adaptability. You need systems. You need leverage. And if you master those, you'll be untouchable in the AI economy. Here's the part nobody wants to admit. The hidden algorithm deciding who gets fired, it's already running. Yes, right now. Corporations are feeding résumés, performance reviews, even social media activity into AI systems. The algorithm calculates risk. It calculates cost. It calculates replaceability. And if the machine decides you're replaceable, you're gone. No manager, no conversation, no warning, just a silent decision made by code. Think about that. Your degree doesn't protect you. Your years of loyalty don't protect you. The algorithm doesn't care about tradition. It cares about efficiency. It doesn't care about your story. It cares about your metrics. And here's the shocking twist. Universities know this. They know degrees are losing value. They know AI is rewriting the rules. But they won't tell you. Why? Because their business model depends on your ignorance. If students realized degrees were obsolete, universities would collapse overnight. So they keep selling the dream. They keep promising security. They keep hiding the truth. But the insiders? They're already adapting. They're building portfolios instead of chasing diplomas. They're mastering AI tools instead of memorizing textbooks. They're proving relevance instead of proving tradition. This is the final puzzle piece. The collapse isn't coming. It's here. And the algorithm is already deciding who survives. So what do? Here's the one skill that makes you untouchable in the AI economy. Learn to command AI. Not just use it. Command it. Anyone can ask ChatGPT to write an essay. Anyone can click a button. But few can design systems. Few can orchestrate workflows. Few can turn AI into leverage. That's the survival skill. If you master prompt engineering, automation design, and AI integration, you don't just survive, you dominate. Because here's the truth, AI isn't replacing humans. It's replacing humans who refuse to adapt. The ones who adapt, they become superhuman. Imagine this. One person commanding AI can outperform a team of 10. One strategist leveraging AI can outpace an entire department. One creator mastering AI can build a brand faster than a corporation. That's the future. And it's not about degrees. It's about adaptability. It's about leverage. It's about commanding the machine before it commands you. So here's your survival strategy. Stop chasing diplomas. Start building systems. Stop memorizing. Start orchestrating. Stop waiting for permission. Start proving relevance. If you master this skill, you'll survive the AI shakeout. And more than survive, you'll thrive. The next collapse is closer than you think. It won't wait for you to finish your degree. It won't wait for you to pay off your debt. It won't wait for you to catch up. It's already here. And if you don't adapt now, you'll be left behind. Subscribe before you miss it. Because every week, I expose the hidden shifts in business, money, and technology, the shifts governments won't admit, universities won't teach, and corporations hope you never discover. I'm the analyst revealing forbidden knowledge, showing you how to survive disruption and dominate the next decade. This is not entertainment. This is survival. And the next revelation? It's even bigger. Don't blink. Don't wait. Because the AI economy doesn't pause. And neither should you.